In this video, we will explore how to use the Comments and Task panel, add and respond to comments and tasks, and collaborate with other team members. The ability to leave comments and tag project members in the design context provides visibility and better communication throughout the entire design process. We can add comments and also draw in an entire document or area in our design. This feature is available in the schematic, as well as both 2D and 3D layout modes in PCB. This feature does require access to an Altium 365 workspace. Therefore, for this training, this video is for your information only. There are no accompanying exercises for this module. Let's first open all schematic documents. Then let's open the PCB as well. Comments and tasks can be viewed from the Comments and Tasks panel. We will open it now by selecting the panel's button in the bottom right. We can observe that there are no comments and tasks present in this design. If there are other users that have the same project document open, their avatars will be shown in the upper right corner. If other users modify the document, the icon will change and show a pin beside their avatar. For this video, there are no other workspace users present in this file. Let's go ahead and place a comment. Select Place a Comment command. On our cursor, we can now select individual objects in the design, or simply click an open area to add our comment. Here, we can add a comment near these connectors. We can also use the freehand drawing tool to clearly show the areas that our comment refers to. This comment can be assigned as a task to another user. Once comments or tasks have been added, they appear within the Comments and Tasks panel. Once at least one comment is present in the Comments and Tasks panel, additional commands become available. The Filter for Tasks or Person icon, the Hide Pins in Design button, and the Additional Configurations button. The filter can be used to check if any tasks have been assigned to us or to anyone else. A task offers the option to change the priority and to change the status of the task. It is also possible to add additional comments to an existing task or comment. A web browser can also be used to view comments and tasks within a project. Open the web browser by right-clicking on the project file within the project panel, then select Show in Web Browser. With the web browser open and the project loaded, select Tasks List to see the existing comments and tasks. Comments can also be added or modified in the web browser. Any comments or tasks created or modified from within the web browser will also be synchronized and updated within Altium Designer as well. We can also open the web browser by selecting the Comment ID link within the comment itself. We discussed how to effectively collaborate with team members by using comments and tasks within the project. This collaboration method allows you to track and manage feedback, ensuring that important details and changes are communicated clearly.